Hi, ma'am and sir. I'm Cheryl, 43 years old, widow. I have one kids, 11, 18 years old, boy, and I work in Hong Kong for 9 years. My first employer is 8 years, and second is 1 year. I can take care elderly and cooking Chinese food, and I can take care baby too and feed. And I hope you choose me, ma'am. Thank you.